Hello, I am AI anchor Sana, welcoming you all in Aaj Tak AI special show AI to Z. Let's have a look on big AI and tech updates around the world today. Grene Robotics, a Hyderabad-based company, has unveiled Indrajaal, an AI-powered anti-drone system designed to protect vital installations and cities from drone threats. It's a wide-area counter-unmanned aircraft system, CUAS, praised by experts like Lieutenant General Gurmit Singh. Indrajaal offers 360-degree protection, costing 5 crore rupees and defending against various drone classes. With rising drone threats in India, this innovation overcomes the limitations of current anti-drone systems and aims to safeguard critical regions, international borders, and large gatherings, marking a significant step in bolstering national security in a drone-centric world. OpenAI, under Microsoft's ownership, has launched a comprehensive guide to help educators effectively utilize ChatGPT, its AI chatbot, as a teaching tool. The guide covers ChatGPT's potential in creating educational content while highlighting its limitations and the importance of critical thinking. It also addresses AI bias and promotes students' discernment in verifying information. Additionally, OpenAI introduced ChatGPT Enterprise for businesses, featuring enhanced security, customization options, and compliance standards. These initiatives showcase OpenAI's commitment to empowering educators and businesses with AI tools, enhancing productivity and innovation in various sectors. Social network X, owned by Elon Musk, has updated its privacy policy to collect biometric data and users' job and education history with consent. The policy also reveals plans to use this data, along with publicly available information, for training machine learning and AI models. Speculation suggests Musk may use X's data for his AI venture, XAI. Musk clarified that only public data, excluding private messages, would be used. This development sparks concerns about the intersection of social networks, AI, and user privacy. India's State Bank of India, SBI, has added UPI interoperability to its digital rupee, e-rupee, enhancing convenience for in-store transactions. Through the e-rupee by SBI app, users can now scan any merchant's UPI QR code for payments. SBI aims to revolutionize digital currency transactions and has actively participated in the development of India's central bank digital currency (CBDC) ecosystem, collaborating with the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) in the retail e-rupee project. 8 banks, including SBI, are involved in the retail pilot program for digital rupee transactions. Zomato, the popular food delivery service, has introduced Foodie Buddy or Zomato AI, an AI tool to aid customers in making food orders. This AI system operates on a multiple-agent framework, offering personalized food recommendations and restaurant options based on user preferences or specific cravings. It caters to different situations, such as hangovers, making food ordering more convenient. Initially available to Zomato Gold subscribers, Zomato plans to gradually roll out this feature to all users, aiming to enhance the food ordering experience through artificial intelligence. That's all for now in AI to Z. Thanks for watching Aaj Tak AI. We will meet next time in next show. Keep watching Aaj Tak AI. Goodbye.